Okay, setting out for a new dig area using offsets in Icon Field software. Now I could nip back to the office and do this on a CAD package like BricsCAD, but I'm a big fan of doing things in the field or doing things with the tools that I've got in my hand. So I just want to show you how I would do this simple task using some offsets and a basic survey that I've carried out of the area. Now, this blue line is a fence line, the green is an existing concrete slab, and the purple is a classroom area. I want to create a new dig area just off this fence. I want it to be 1 meter off this fence line and 1.5 meters off this fence line. This is how I would go about doing that. Go sketching, and I'd hit offsets. I'll pick this fence line and I'll offset it 1 meter. I can flip either side of the line, but I know I want to be inside, so that's where we'll have that. 1 meter. And I said 1.5 off this back fence line. 1.5. Okay, so that's the corner of my dig area. Now I want to concentrate on the dimensions of the actual area, so I know it's 6 meters long and 4 meters wide. Okay, now I've got my grid lines. Now if we go to point creation, intersection, I'll change the code to a new code that makes sense, dig, and now I pick the lines that create the intersection. That's where my point's going to go. Tick, and again, tick, and again. Okay, so those are my corner points for my area. Now to tidy things up, I can delete my grid lines. Don't want any of that. And I can link up my, not offsets, points and lines. Now I can link up my area. And I can go to work with my Icon Site Excavator.